What's up guys, FX GOAT your mentors. Hope you guys are feeling good. Today I was just busy doing some work and we're thinking about what we're actually going to do with this channel. And we're thinking that for this channel, we're gonna teach you guys everything you need to know about trading. You can see guys, when we trade, we have a lot of accounts. And all of these accounts, these are the accounts that we trade and we make a living directly from trading. So right now I'm looking at the $50 challenge account. So this is the account that we have. You can see everything is checked out. This is the account, is live. We made a $50 deposit and it's growing, right? This is the account that we're doing and it's growing nicely. So what's gonna happen on this channel? I wanna teach you guys how to trade. Forex trading is not really that difficult and it's all about what you know. Forex can be easy if you know how to trade. And if you want it to work for you, you just have to follow the rules. So obviously there's a few analysis that we have. We've eaten a few trades. Some of the trades that we have here we already killed. This is the trade that I shared on my Instagram as well. We shared the before and after of this trade and we killed it. And obviously when we analyze, guys, I'm just going to remove the analysis and start again from scratch. And this is also one of the pairs we analyzed actually in our seminar. Let me show you guys exactly what I mean. We just analyzed this during our seminar and that was in Joburg and we killed it. So that's the things you're gonna get on this channel, guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how to analyze properly. So I want you to check over here, guys. You see this is a Joburg seminar. The thing is we didn't record this analysis, so I'm just gonna show you here. You can see this analysis that we did this literally the before, and look at what happened. We literally analyzed this in front of 1,000 people. We analyzed this and we killed it live. So that's what you're gonna learn. We are not just talking, bro. Like when we talk about trading, guys, we are not just talking. We know how to trade and we'll show you guys how to maximize. If you don't have capital, we'll teach you how to approach prop firms. If you have capital to invest, we'll teach you how to trade on real accounts. So make sure you watch the video up until the end. What's up guys, FX GOAT your mentor and we back again. Yes sir, hope you guys are all good and I hope you guys are enjoying your early festive season. We are literally in the last week of November and we are starting off the festive season, and as you guys already know, we are running the $50 to 50k challenge and we're going to be sharing most of the analysis for the challenge on this specific channel right here. So you're gonna learn a lot for free, guys. I want you guys to know that Forex trading is very simple, guys. Forex trading is not really that difficult. Forex trading is not really that hard. You just need to know how to go about it, because you only lose money in the market if you're just having a scattered approach and you just don't know what you're doing. You are not gonna make money if that's your approach, but you're in luck. If you're a beginner, you're gonna learn a lot, and even if you're an advanced trader, there's still a lot for you guys to learn, because we're gonna be doing proper breakdowns. I'm going to share with you guys the most simplest way to analyze the market and the most simplest way to make money, literally from just trading and knowing how to analyze. So without any further waste of time, let's jump into the video, guys. As you guys know already, for the challenge we have shared a couple of trades before with you guys, and if you want to benefit from the trades that are going to be taking, make sure to click the link in the description and join our Telegram channel, and that is where we're going to be sharing most of our free trade ideas, because already the last analysis that we did for the $50 to 50k challenge was Euro JPY and the market actually respected setup. So I want you guys to know that that is how we're going to be approaching the market. You can see already on my chart, these are some of the trades that we caught over here. So I'm going to go ahead, clean off all the analysis, and we're going to start again from scratch and analyze with you guys and show you exactly how we approach the market. First things first, what I want to do is just remove all drawings and start analyzing from scratch. And you guys know how we analyze, right? In order for you guys to have an edge in the market, you need to have an approach that is proven, an approach that you know can make you money. And how we do that is we start off by going to the overall time frame, which is the daily time frame. And yes, you can also go to weekly and more higher time frames, but I'm just going to be sticking to this daily time frame just to start it off. And in this video, I'm going to analyze gold for you guys. I'm also going to analyze NAS 100. Those are the two pairs we're going to be looking at in this specific video. So really, guys, from the higher time frame, you can see previously gold was coming from a consolidation structure. You can see previously gold was coming from a consolidation structure that we had over here, and it's been consolidating, and ever since we're able to break above the consolidation, we've been on a very strong bullish momentum. So really, from this overall time frame, I can see that we are in a uptrend. So what I want to do is I want to highlight my highs and my lows, more specifically to cater for the current market. So for the current market, this is what I'm seeing over here. I just want to be sure that I highlight all these levels whereby the market has been respecting a lot. So already, guys, I've put my levels and this is what I'm seeing, and this is how you just analyze the market. You just need to know where to put your levels, and these are your support and resistance levels. So these support and resistance levels basically act as a floor and ceiling. You know, the market is not really complicated. You can see already, guys, when the market came over here, it was playing inside this area over here, and the moment we're able to break outside, we just had a retest and the market just flew. Knowing how to put your levels will give you an extra edge in the market. So another thing that we need to do now, we need to focus on the current market price. One thing I can do in a higher time frame is to see that we are still in an overall bullish trend, right? You can see over here, and this is what I'm seeing on a higher time frame, right? You can see we are still in an overall bullish trend or higher time frame over here. The market is still in an overall bullish trend, and that is just me looking at the market from the overall perspective to know what could happen and what is the other possibility. Then from here, I want to dive in deeper again and go towards my 4-hour time frame. So once I dive in towards my 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing my levels over here, and when I check my levels, I can see that at this particular level here, we previously had a very strong resistance. You can see that the market was failing. You can see previously the market was failing to break below this area, and the moment we had a break, the market was respected as a resistance. So before it was acting as a support, the market couldn't break down, and the moment we broke below the support, it's now a ceiling. Means now I can go up because it was a floor, then it became a ceiling. So we know this was a very strong support structure. That is why it has gave us multiple possibilities of a ceiling, and gold can still also just push all the way towards the bottom here just by looking at it again from the 4-hour time frame. Now another thing that I'm seeing over here, guys, is that we were coming from a overall bullish trend and a trends in trends bearish trend. You can see over here as well that the market had a bearish trend, and you know, I can decide where to start it, I can decide where to end it. So when you analysis are just there to help you understand what is price doing, what is the market doing, what is happening with price, what can you expect, and how to better predict the market by looking at what price is doing. Price is literally giving us information that we need to use in order for us to plan our next trades. So for gold, we can see that we're still in a bullish trend. The market broke outside this trends in trends bearish trend, whereby we are pushing to the downside, and then we pushed up. So in order for us to even identify this particular sell over here, it will be more easier if I go towards the 1-hour time frame. So if I bring it down towards the 1-hour time frame, I want to remove my old analysis because I've seen that, and you guys know we like to keep our charts very clean. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can even adjust this to this level here, it's still fine. And what I want to do is I also want to highlight my areas, right? You can see over here, this is another area of sensitivity that we had. So guys, putting your zones on the market will help you literally to understand where we can expect our reversals and where we can expect the next possible market movements, right? You can see this is also another buy zone here because the market was coming from a bearish trend. It then gave us a W bottom. With this W pattern over here, it acted as a counter trend of the bearish trend, and the market pushed up like so. So what we understand is this is a buy zone. So we already know over here we have a buy zone. You can see that the market respected this area a lot, so we have another buy zone here as well. So meaning that for gold at the current market, we have a possible bullish market from here, and we also have another possible bullish market all the way from the bottom over there. So those are our demand areas. That is where we have our buyers sitting at the current market price. And if you are looking for overall sales, it's obvious that you'll need to have the market actually break outside this overall bearish trend, and we're gonna have that overall sell, right? If you understand how the market works, you can see that will be a break outside this overall bullish trend, and the market will just start giving us more sells. So for as long as we're still in here, the market can sell, which is going to be a correction, but as long as we're still in here, the bullish momentum is still likely to happen. But what is happening now? What is the next movement? We can see previously the market had a bullish trend, the bullish trend that came after breaking outside the bearish trend, and this is the bullish trend that we have over here. You can see gold is giving us two touches here. I'm seeing another touch, I'm seeing another touch. So these touches were the ones that gave us the sell. We're in a bullish trend. The market was respecting these lows. The moment it broke outside, it had to come retest and push all the way towards the downside. So now you're asking yourself, what is the next price movement? What is the next possible move for gold? I'm seeing a few possibilities, right? I want to highlight this past move over here. because it's also a significant area. We can have it as a line and we can also have it as a zone. It is completely up to you, but the market is currently at a deciding factor at this moment, guys. And the reason I'm saying that is because the moment gold is able to break outside this specific region here, whatever direction that we have, we're going to be able to capitalize from it, especially for the challenge. So for example, if gold is able to push and break above the structure, I'm going to capitalize for my buys and eventually look for more opportunities and continue with the bullish momentum. And that is obviously respecting the bullish trend. So that is another possibility that we have for gold. And another possibility is that we are still within our new bearish move. We can see that we had a counter trend of this bullish market and the market is now in a bearish trend. Guys, you know, it's really simple when you analyze the market like this. You don't make it complicated. You just follow the market. You do not lead the market. Just simply follow. I'm using price action and I'm able to kill the markets by just simply following my rules. So what does it mean for me with these rules? What I understand is if I'm able to break below the structure here, I'm continuing with my bearish trend and I can still look for a sell towards the downside. The sell can come here and reverse, and it can also continue giving me a continuous push all the way towards the downside. And that is the possibilities that we have for gold. Now for my entries, like I showed you guys before, it's not really that difficult. I can literally look for an opportunity of buys over here if you don't mind taking a high risk, high reward type of trade. So obviously guys, if you have a small account, you would want to wait for the market to come at a more safer area, and that will be here. For you to maximize your trade, you would also need to just wait for the bounce of this newly support, of which it was previously a resistance, right? So it will be a nice safer area for you to look for a buy over here. You can also look for a buy over here, for example, right? I'm giving you guys the options for your entries, and for your sells, you can literally go for a sell below the structure, because what I understand is we have buyers sitting here. So a sell will be most likely to come at this particular area at this particular price here, right? So this is where I can expect my sells and this is where I can expect my buys. And the last thing that I need to do before I finish this off, plan and execute. That is the strategy that we use, and we also implement our price action strategy with the FX GOAT supply and demand. You can see over here, this is literally what I said when I said I can buy over here, guys, because we do have the line of support that you guys are seeing over here. You can still buy at this level and sell below. And if you want to play it safe, you can also still enter a buy here. And also the sells can still work if you're breaking below this area, because you're literally going to be below the buyers, and you know the sellers can come in. But you know that we still have buyers here, we still have buyers here, we're still in an overall bullish trend. So if you're taking a sell now, you are still counter trending, but you can expect the reversal. But if you catch the sellers early, you can literally be able to capitalize if you continue with the overall bearish trend. So guys, for gold, this is what we have currently. I tried to keep the analysis as easy and simple as possible. I'm trying to make sure you guys are able to follow, and I'm gonna just end it off with this particular time frame. This is what we have. We literally just have to follow the market. You don't have to force your directions on the market. Just have to follow the market, what it's doing, and the market will give you the next moves. A break outside this structure is a continuation of a bullish trend, and if you're able to break below this support, we're just going for sales. Simple, as easy as that. So these are your opportunities. Either this level here, take your buy, or above here, take your buy. And even if we're able to break below here, take your sales. We are simply done with gold. The next pair we're going to look at is NASDAQ 100, and this is one of the pairs that we like, guys. We actually shared analysis again for this pair in a free Telegram channel, and if you're not part of that channel, guys, make sure to click the link in the description and join our Telegram channel, because we did share how to analyze the market, because we did share this analysis for NASDAQ 100, literally from when it started, how it was moving, and where it is at the current market price. We've been sharing with you guys all these analysis levels. This is what we have on a daily time frame, and what I want to do is just remove the drawings and start again from scratch just for you guys. So I'm just gonna reset the chart, and when we reset the chart, we can see that the market is currently in a bullish trend. So what I want to teach you guys from my analysis is that forex trading is not difficult. You just need to know what to do, guys. Forex trading can literally be simple, especially if you follow your rules. Just need to follow your rules, follow what the market is doing, don't force direction, and you will make a lot of money. You will make a lot of money by just simply following direction and not just trading because you feel like trading and you're not actually doing your work, and that is analyzing the market. Some of you guys might be lazy to analyze, and that is why it may be hard for you to find profitability, and that's the only thing you need to do. Just analyze, follow the market, know where to put your levels, We're seeing market sensitivity. So we can see already, guys, we're in an overall bullish trend, and we are in a also trends in trends bullish trend again. So I'm gonna take it now towards the 4-hour time frame and see exactly what we can expect for NAS 100. We can see for NAS 100 over here, we are in a newly formed bullish trend, and obviously you can adjust however you like. So what this tells me is that the market is failing to push below this area. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, more touches over here. This proves that we have a very strong uptrending support here. But we know this support is valid, and we can see it playing in the market. So if I'm looking for sales, I need to see the market actually breaking outside this area for me to look for overall sales for NAS 100. So currently, since we're still inside this bullish trend, we can still expect more stronger buys. So really, guys, from the analysis that we shared, we could already see that we are above this support structure, and the market has a possibility to just continue pushing. The market came back and gave us a retest, activating our particular trade. It's more likely that the market can still continue pushing towards the upside, but it's kind of slow. If you see the market having a lot of choppy markets like this, it's kind of slow, and the market during this time of the year likes to play around because a lot of people have money to just put in, and it can play around, take you guys out, and continue with the overall direction. So I'm just gonna finish off with NASDAQ on the 1-hour time frame, and when I take it to the 1-hour time frame, guys, we're literally still inside this trade. We see how it plays out. This is literally how it looks like right now. We can still expect the market to just push, and you can have a few areas to exit your trade. You can literally exit your trade at this area here, take profit when you go out, or you can still continue to aim for more opportunities until we reach the overall target for NASDAQ, guys, right? So I can even put it here. You're playing it even more safer. And if you're looking for sales, showed you guys literally a simple looking for a retest, push towards the bottom. And if you want to play it even more safer, just need to look at the previous ceiling, and that's what we have over there, right? Previous resistance or ceiling, and this is where I'm going to expect myself. So let me just adjust this here so I can put myself very nicely. Put my shots. This is a sell. The push below. This is where we can expect ourselves for NAS 100. So that's what we have for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And the last final touch, just to check what's happening here. Literally, guys, I showed you we have a strong area of support here where the buyers are. As long as you're able to defeat the buyers, you can expect the sales. And as long as you're still here, you can still expect the market to continue pushing from the buyers, because you know the buyers are proving to be more stronger. You can still push all the way towards the upside and capitalize on this particular trade. But this is where the buyers are sitting. This is where the sellers are sitting. Knowing this information, you just have to use it and capitalize on the market. So just like that, guys, FX GOAT your mentor, signing out.